Isang magandang araw sa lahat ng mga kapamilya natin, Luzon, Visayas at Mindanao at sa lahat din po ng mga nakatutok sa atin all over the world. Kapiling kabondeng ang nag-iisang beshi ng bayan at ang Diyosa ng kalsada. Walang iba mula sa 92.3 FM Radio Manila at Radyo 630. Ako po si Jaiho and we are all excited to have you here for our 4th Star Magic Spotlight Press Conference of the Year. Ngayong araw na ito, syempre gusto nating pasalamatan agad-agad. Maraming salamat sa Coffee Project for letting us enjoy this beautiful venue today. For our first batch today, makakasama natin ang dalawang artist na kagagaling lang sa isang napaka-exciting na adventure sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya. Natapos man ang kanilang journey as housemates, pero sa labas ng bahay, they're just getting started. Bago natin makakwentuhan ang hopeful Belle ng Cavite at ang Mr. Bankable Achiever ng Pasig, let's all watch this. These two stars both spent time in the Pinoy Big Brother House Celebrity Collab Edition, showing their unique personalities and characters. Starting with Kira Ballinger, the hopeful Belle ng Cavite, has turned heads and has stolen hearts with her charisma, grace, and elegance. From her early beginnings in Cavite to landing her first roles on screen, Kira Ballinger showed that determination and passion can take you far.
LGBT friends, my loves, this is for you guys. I dedicate it to you guys.
Her versatility shone through as she took on diverse roles from the spirited Maya in Spirits Reawaken to the determined Hope Villarosa in Ang Sa Iyo Ay Akin.
Anong anak? And who the hell is this Marisa? May anak ka sa kanya? You cheated on mom?
Her portrayal of Luna and Darna further showcased her talent.
Kahit anong gawin mo, hindi mo mapapantayan si Zora!
Her recent roles in Maple Leaf Dreams and Chances Are You and I also prove her skills as an actress. And inside the PBB house, a new side of Kira was shown. One that the audience fell in love with, real, raw, and authentic. And now, as she's finally back in the outside world, fans eagerly await what lies ahead for her. Another former housemate has quickly emerged as a crowd favorite. Emilio Daez made a striking entrance into the spotlight, bringing with him a fresh energy that quickly earned him a growing fan base. Coming from a family with a legacy in entertainment, Emilio knows how to make his own path. His journey inside a PBB house showed a young man of character, humility, and determination.
I'm gonna show you how to cook some rice. Wait here now and sit tight.
He made his acting debut in the ABS-CBN series Pamilya Sagrado.
Ano mo ba yung ginagawa mo, Steven, ha?
And also ventured into music videos, appearing alongside Alexa Ilacad in Kung Naging Tayo. He has also shown his hosting skills in the Star Magical Christmas event. This year, Emilio landed his first lead role in the I1TFC original series, Love at First Spike, a coming-of-age sports dramedy, something fans can look forward to.
Pagkakaalam ko, wala akong atraso sa'yo.
With his fresh energy and commitment to his journey, surely he is poised to take on bigger roles on screen. Kira Ballinger and Emilio Daez are two of the most promising stars today, both showing potentials that are still unfolding on an exciting journey of growth and discovery. Many are rooting for them, excited to see how far their journeys will go. Maraming salamat. Alam ko sa lahat ng mga nakatutok sa atin ngayon kung gaano natuwa at na-excite ang ating mga very special na mga kapamilyang makakasama for today's Star Magic Spotlight. Ganun din po ang nararamdaman ninyo. Kaya naman ipadala ang mga comments po ninyo sa mga nanonood ngayon at huwag kalimutan na gamitin ang ating official hashtag for today. Hashtag Star Magic Spotlight. Ako mismo mga kapamilya, excited na kaya huwag na nating patagalin. I-welcome na po natin kasama ko ngayon dito, Kira Ballinger and Emilio Daez. Hello!
Hello, Mama Jai. Hello po to all of our friends at the press. And of course, hello to everybody watching right now.
Emilio.
Mama Jai, maraming salamat. To the Star Magic family, maraming salamat. To all the kapamilyas watching, thank you so much. I'm very excited to be here.
Una sa lahat, congratulations. Umaga pa lang, trending na sa ating ex.
Talaga?
Yes.
Wow.
Trending na ang hashtag SM Spotlight Kermilio. Anong gusto niyong sabihin? Parang it all started doon sa photo na talagang nag-trending yung magkasama kayo. I don't know who posted the picture. Ikaw ba nag-post?
Ako po yun,
Siya
Mama
po,
Jai.
yes.
Oh, anong say niyo doon? Trending kayo. Kanina pa, ang dami nagsiship sa inyong dalawa.
Opo, una sa lahat, to all of our Kirmilios out there na sobrang matyaga magpa-trending, grabe kayo. Maraming salamat. I see all of you and I love you all very much. And yung sa photo, that was the first time I got to see you. That's when you got out of the
Yes.
house. So wala lang, gusto niya lang ng photo. Ayun lang.
Ayun na.
Yun lang.
Marami na talaga ang makinilig at natuwa at nakitaan kayo sa picture pa lang ng chemistry. Emilio, you've mentioned sa past interview ko sa'yo, parang sabi mo before, wala namang pumapansin sa mga photos mo, sa mga posts mo. After your journey sa Pinoy Big Brother, maya't maya kang nagtitrending. What can you say?
Honestly, I'm still very in shock, I think. Kasi mahirap maniwala na parang ang warm ng reception ng mga tao sa inyo. It feels like I'm in a dream. Kasi, syempre, lahat naman ng mga tao pinapangarap ang ganitong reception sa mga tao. Yung suporta ng mga tao sa amin, sa amin ni Kira, sa lahat ng PBB collab. It's really heartwarming. And like I said, it really just makes me want to be a better person, work harder, and be the best that I can be para sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta.
Thank you so much. And now that you're finally here back sa outside world, kamusta si Kira? Na-miss mo to?
Naman. Na-miss ko, syempre. Na-miss ko talaga magtrabaho. At syempre, nakita mo naman siguro, Mama Jane, na sobrang busy kaming lahat sa mga promos and everything. Sobrang grateful po ako.
Totoo. Pero di ba medyo mas nauna kayo ni Charlie?
Yes,
Tapos
yes
sila
po.
yung Emilio, yung pinaka-latest talaga. Ano na yung mga changes right after your PBB stint? Paglabas mo, sabi mo nga, busy ka. Pero syempre, di ba, you've experienced showbiz nung hindi ka pa nagpipinoy Big Brother. Nakapag-movie ka, you have these Maple Leaf Dreams na kinunan pa sa Canada. Chances are you and I and many more. Pero after PBB, ano yung pinagkaiba sa lahat ng mga naging ganap mo in showbiz?
Ako? For me, syempre, this is the first time in my whole 11 years that I'm receiving this amount of love and appreciation. Sobrang nakakabanibago, sobrang nakakataba ng puso. And just like what Emilio said a while ago, it makes me want to do better, to be a better person, to be a better actress. All aspects po. I just want to do better, to give back. Yan.
Ikaw naman, Emilio, ilang araw na? 4th day, 5th day?
Hindi ko po mabilang. I think somewhere 4th or 5th day. But parang ngayon po, I'm just focusing on kung ano yung nasa harapan ko, kung anong guesting yung ibibigay sa akin, kung anong trabaho. Parang ready lang po ako for anything. So yes lang ako ng yes. Siyempre, isang blessing na may trabaho dito, especially right after lumabas ng bahay. So I'm just trying to make the most out of it.
Ibang level ka nga eh. Nasa loob ka pa ng bahay, ni-launch na yung Love at First Spike.
Yes.
Speaking of pagiging busy, ngayong nasa labas ka, yan naman ang pagkakaabalahan mo, promoting your first ever leading man project. Ayan.
Opo, Mama Jai. Actually, hindi pa po kami tapos mag-taping. Meron pa po kami mga taping. So, definitely doing a lot of workshops. I actually haven't seen my castmates yet. Kasi medyo tuloy-tuloy po ang mga guestings. But I'm very hoping to see them very soon. Kasi namimiss ko na silang lahat. And I know na they've been promoting even wala ako sa bahay. So, I'm excited to see them again. And of course, I'm excited to promote Love at First Bite. Please, please, manood po kayo kasi we're working very, very hard. Lahat po kami sa cast and Direk Evan Payawal. So, maraming salamat. Sana subaybayan niyo po yun.
Pag-usapan naman natin, syempre fresh na fresh ang pagkakagaling niyo sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya. Kung meron kayong dalawa na bibigyan ng mensahe sa mga naiwang housemates inside the house, sino ang bibigyan niyo ng message at bakit? Let's start with Kira.
Oh, can I give 2 messages?
Oh, syempre naman. Oo, wala tayong
For
ano
2
dito.
people, hindi ko
Ayan.
kaya pag-isa lang.
Okay.
Syempre, kay AZ and to Josh, grabe, miss na miss ko na kayo. I miss you so much and I'm still so happy to see the both of you tight. Syempre, kayong dalawa lang yung natira sa book club and it makes me so happy to see you guys being really, really close. And I'm so happy for your growth inside of the house. From day 1 up until now, grabe ang growth nyo. I see you guys opening up and I'm just so happy for you guys. Kaya just keep going. Keep going.
May mga shippers din, ano, kayong kisses.
Yeah.
Ayan.
Yes, yes po.
Oo. Ayan, ano namang gusto mong sabihin sa mga kisses? Alam mo, nung nalaman nila na gagawin natin ang Star Magic Spotlight, tapos nakita nila, I'm with Kira and with Emilio, sabi nila, Mama Jai, i-ship mo naman din silang dalawa. Sabi ko, sige, kami nang bahala dyan. What's your message to your kisses?
Uy, mga kisses ko, huwag kayong magtampo, ha? Uy, I love you all so much. Pero, ayun na, let's keep supporting Josh. Nandun pa siya sa bahay ni Kuya and wait lang kayo.
Mahal ko rin ang Kish, ha? Supporter din ako ng Kish sa
Yes,
bahay pa
supporter
lang.
din siya.
So, to all the Kishes, wag po kayo mag-alala kasi Josh is doing really well. Support natin si Josh kasi kailangan niya ng support natin.
Totoo. How about you, Emilio?
Kung pwede, Mama Jai, lahat po sila kasi honestly, they're all so special to me. It's very hard to really just single out a few people. Kaya, i-generalize ko na lang para sa lahat. So, mga housemates ko, mga kapwa kong housemates, please, wag po kayong, wag muna kayong magpahinga. Laban lang ng laban. Please, pursue your dreams kasi alam naman natin lahat tayo mapangarap na lumaban and manalo. So, hopefully, you guys can do it. Please pray and sleep well and kumain kayo ng maraming pagkain ni Ate Klang. And I'll see you guys when you're outside.
Yun. Ako, pag lumalabas na sila, nakikita-kita sila, bumubuo sila ng mga group chat, ganyan. Na-mention ni Kira yung about sa growth, di ba? Yung nakita niya yung growth ng ibang mga kasamang mga housemates. Kayong dalawa, ano yung masasabi ninyo that you guys have grown or changed because of your time inside the house? Emilio.
Ako naman po, Mama Jai, in terms of growth, I think mas nakilala ko po yung sarili ko. Kasi sa bahay po ni Kuya, marami pong mga beses na nagre-reflect ka talaga na mag-isa. Kasi wala kang cellphone, wala kang distractions. Parang hindi talaga maiiwasan na iisipin mo yung buhay mo, kung sino ka talaga. Especially for me kasi pagpasok ko sa bahay, one of my goals was to become a better actor. And how can I become a better actor? I have to understand myself first more. So, talagang dinadamdam ko talaga lahat ng mga nararamdaman ko, pinapansin ko. And I believe that that's one of the keys to being an actor na you have to understand yourself first, feel everything, and hopefully it will translate on screen.
Actually, yung sinabi mo, hindi lang sa pagiging aktor, di ba? Yung dinadamdam mo at hindi mo ini-invalidate yung nafe-feel mo bilang tao. Di ba? Napakaganda niyan para sa lahat. Yes.
Opo,
Thank you
Mama
so
Jai.
much. Kira.
Ako naman po, before going into PBB, sobrang introverted ko po. I had a very hard time socializing with people my age. Pero ngayon po na nag-PBB ako, na-survive ko yun, and I know that I have good people as my friends. Parang mas naging open po ako, tsumika. In other words, sobrang nag-improve po yung social skills ko. And that's something that makes me super-duper happy because the world is opening up to me. And it's nice to talk with other people. It's nice to get to know others because you can learn so much from them. Ayun lang.
Pero alam mo, Mama Jai, hindi ko akalain na introvert si Kira. I told her when I first spoke to her inside the house na I thought she was very extroverted. So nagulat ako nung sinabi niya sa akin na introvert pala siya.
Mahiyain siya. Kasi she started very young. Alam niyo ba, trivia lang sa hindi nakakalam. Correct me if I'm wrong, di ba? Yung story of how Kira was discovered. Ate Abby from Star Magic before, Abby Niesta, nakita ka niya sa mall. Di ba? Tapos inabutan ka niya ng calling card niya. Oo, 'di ba? I-share mo naman 'yan, baka yung iba hindi pa sila aware kung paano ka nakita sa mall. Siya yung mga maswerte talaga, yung ganda talaga no, na nakasalubong sa mall, inabutan ng calling card, 'di ba? Oo.
Maputi lang, Mama Jai. Ito naman. Hindi. Pero I was in the mall with my mommy. As in, kumakain lang kami ng ice cream. Tapos nung time na po yun kasi, uso sa mall yung bigla kang lalapitan, aalukin ka ng kung ano-ano.
Ballpen.
Mga gano'n, nagbebenta. So, nung lumapit si Ate Abby sa amin, akala ng mami ko may gustong ibenta sa amin. She was like, no, no, no. Tapos sabi ni Ate Abby, no, Mommy, I'm from Star Magic, ABS. Ganun si mami ko. Hindi siya makapaniwala. And that's where
The
it
rest is
started.
history,
The rest
diba?
is history.
Galing.
Alam mo ba, Emilio, nung 16 ka nun, 'di ba? Tama? 14.
14.
Unang sabak niya, parang ako agad ang isa sa naka-interview sa'yo, di ba?
Wow.
Yes.
Yes.
Full
Yes.
circle moment.
Kaya kanina, sabi ko nga sa kanya, ang galing no, pagpasok at paglabas mo ng PBB, meron tayong Star Magic Spotlight. I remember I hosted also your Maple Leaf and Chances Are You and I. And congratulations, we are all very happy for you.